Welcome to Hands-On Therapy's home exercise program. This video will explain the passive hook fist. This exercise is passive, meaning that you're using an external force to direct your movement. This is in opposition to active exercises, where you perform movement by generating force using your own muscle power. This exercise is a passive stretch that's used to regain range of motion and prevent joint stiffness. The passive hook fist stretch promotes extension or straightening of the MP big knuckle, as well as flexion or bending of the PIP middle joint and DIP end joint to increase the motion at all of these joints. Now that you know the purpose and importance of this exercise, let me show you how to do it. Because this is a passive stretch, you're going to use two hands. First, your involved hand that you were instructed to perform this exercise on, and second, your uninvolved or helper hand. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to wear a glove on my helper hand to help differentiate between the two. I'm going to explain this exercise in depth using my left index finger as my involved finger, but please keep watching this video if you'd like to see a demonstration with the right hand as the involved hand. And also, please know that you can perform this exercise on the rest of your fingers as well. Rest your involved hand on top of your uninvolved palm, with the thumb of your involved hand pointing up. Bend the finger you're performing this exercise on so that you can place your helper hand thumb on this finger's nail, and then relax your involved hand. With your helper thumb, push on your involved finger nail. Push in to bend the end and middle joints as much as possible, while simultaneously pushing up to bring the big knuckle backwards into hyperextension. When you're doing this, make sure your big knuckle is back as far as possible. So basically, the goal of this stretch is to bend your middle and end joints as much as possible, while extending your big knuckle as much as possible. It's important to keep your involved hand relaxed throughout this activity. Your helper hand should be the one doing all of the work, and the more relaxed your involved hand is, the better stretch you'll get. It's okay if you're not able to get your fingertip to meet the base of your finger just yet. It's also completely normal to feel discomfort while performing this stretch. If you feel pain, let up a little by not pressing so hard. Hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds or however long your therapist instructed you to. Now I'm going to switch hands so that my right hand is my involved hand and my left hand is my helper hand. This time I'm going to perform this stretch on my ring finger. The same as before, you're going to place your helper hand thumb on the nail of your involved finger, and you're going to push in to bend the middle and end joints as much as possible while simultaneously pushing up to bring the big knuckle backwards into hyperextension. Push until you feel a stretch, and once you do, hold this position. If it becomes too painful, let up a little by not pressing so hard with your helper thumb. As always, ask your therapist if you have any questions when completing this exercise. Thanks for watching.